What's up, guys? It's us again. Welcome back to our channel. If you're new to this channel, please make sure you subscribe. We don't look the best, but we are the best. You don't think that's funny? Today we are going, I don't know exactly where.
The best place today and tomorrow. Sardinia. CALA, GOLORITZE and COSTA REI tomorrow.
We have been here in Sardinia for almost 2 weeks now. We are leaving on Saturday. Forget my face. I try to maintain my skin without makeup, representing Sardinians. Anyways, so we will see you once we are there. Look at these ones. Hi, Adam. It's our lunch before the great walk. How long is the walk? How long is the walk to that beach?
Walk?
Yeah, the walk to the beach.
To walk down 1 hour, to walk back 1.5.
I thought you said to walk down 30, to walk up 1 hour. Jesus, it's even worse now. I love this pizza. Whenever I come to Italy, I always eat this pizza.
And you're always eating this.
Yeah, last is always eating.
Not always, but
Most of it.
yeah.
And Adam too. You like the phone? Enjoy. Seems like we're almost there for the great walk. It's also a work. We're like 6 kilometers. Alright.
Then walking 3 kilometers.
Then we are walking 3. Hey!
Stones.
Hey! Whoa!
Big dog. My friends.
Come on, take the camera.
Living free right here. Go back.
Hi!
Enjoy your day.
Shake his head.
Enjoy your day, son.
Is he white? Or someone? Seems like our walk is going to begin soon. You see, this is the park place right here. It's a huge park place. So it seems like many people are down there at that beach right now. They're not planning to walk up anytime soon. See, Italy, Netherlands, our car, Germany, and other Germans over there. But we ain't German. Deutschland again. Okay. There's a restaurant over there to eat. I know. What is the E standing for? The plate number E was. Huh? I guess. We are coming from down there. So we are going is 4 kilometers. And look at this road and this sun. Look. We're not even 1 kilometer. It's enough. I'm dying. Yeah. I'm dying. We're coming from down there. And I'll see you later. Look guys, there's a future right there. I'm giving myself hopes, okay? There's nothing wrong with that. I don't know if you can see it, but we still have a long way to go. Look at this way. We have to go all the way down there. I don't know if you can see Adam and Lassie, but it's not easy. Shoo. Look at this spot. This is so pretty. It's full of trees. This is really nice. I feel like I'm in Jerusalem walking with Jesus. Anyways, I wanted to show you this place here, but my camera was doing some weird thing. There's another cave also behind there. He's sleeping. Oh. So crazy. So we're on this stage here. I'm so tired, I can't even talk no more. I'm on this stage of the road. I don't know, maybe last is almost ready there. I am so tired, I just can't wait to sit down and go inside the water because I'm so sticky, full of sweat. Yep. So, this is what we came for. We're finally here. I need to go down here. You can do it. Go. Yeah. Just be careful, please. Where is he going to jump? What is he doing, Jesus Christ? Are you seeing it? Look at that, Adam. Look at that, Adam. Yeah, you better think twice. Is it worth it or is it not? Do you think you should jump at him? Or did... Ooh, Jesus. He didn't break anything, right? Where did he go? Where did Dada go? How beautiful, but look at this road, you guys. Guys, we are here in Costa. It's so beautiful.